हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल वंस अगेन। सो गाइस, उस्मानिया यूनिवर्सिटी अपडेट नोटिफिकेशन, यूजी बैकलॉग्स, YWS candidates and one time chance BA BCom BSc BSW BBA examination October November 2021. The provisional list of successful candidates who have appeared in BA BCom BSc BSW BBA of UG backlog YWS and one time chance examination held in October and November 2021 has been uploaded in official website of Usmania. The candidates are advised to collect the marks memo from their respective colleges after 3 weeks revaluation. That students are requested to approach any of the TS online centers for submission of revaluation request along with required fee and copy of memo and internet memo. TS online charges 15 rupees per application. Candidate who desire to apply for revaluation should apply separately without waiting for the photocopy of answer script photocopy. The candidates will be provided photocopy of his or her theory answer script on payment of 1000 rupees per paper. The request for photocopy of answer script should be submitted in the prescribed pro forma available in OU website by the concerned candidate duly attested by the principal of the concerned college along with a transfer the fee payment through RTGS or NEFT for credit into register exam fee fund account number hall ticket and C. Copy of memo and internet memo and revaluation application receipt. The photocopy of the answer script will be sent to the application will be sent to the candidates by post in a month's time from the last date of submission. The request for the photocopy of answer script will be accepted at the examination branch, Usmania University from 18th January 2021. Here is a table, guys. You can see, you can take a screenshot of this table. Revaluation or photocopy fee in rupees per paper starting from last date of submission without late fee, with late fee of rupees 200 per paper accepted at mode of payment. Revaluation 300, photocopy 1000. Okay, you can take a screenshot. First point, the candidates who desire to apply for the revaluation should apply separately without waiting for the photocopy of answer script. The application for photocopy of answer script has to be submitted by the candidate in person at the examination branch OU. Number 3, the candidate who utilizes the provision of revaluation and photocopy are only eligible for applying challenge valuations. Okay, guys, this is the notification from Usmania University for UG backlog YWS candidates and one time chance BA BCom BSc BSW BBA examination. So you can collect your marks memo from your college after 3 weeks. So you can take a screenshot of this notification. Okay, guys, please like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more updates. Be safe, stay safe, keep supporting my channel, friends. Stay Kirak.